Hey guys, it's me Aryaveer and welcome to my kitchen.
And it's me Anugya, and we are going to make today
Mango
milkshake. But this is a healthier mango milkshake. So let's get started. Veer, can you tell us the ingredients? What is this?
Mango, milk, ice and some honey.
So Veer is going to put all these ingredients in the blender jar. You can just put it inside.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Next we are going to be putting some honey. Can you put some honey?
Yes. Too much?
Just a little bit, not so much. This should be good. Okay. All right. I'll just help you. Okay. We just need to put half right now. All right. And we will be adding the ice later. All right.
Yes.
So now Veer has already put the ingredients in the blender jar, but now Mama is going to blend it, right? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Now we can put the ice and milk. All right? All right. Okay. Okay. You can just put maybe 5, 6 cubes of ice. Okay, I'll help you. Can you put some more milk?
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Full.
That should be good.
Now.
We'll blend again. Okay. So our mango milkshake is
Ready.
Yes. Wow. It looks amazing, right? Okay, you can pour some more. All right, that should be good. Can we pour in one more glass?
Yummy.
Is that yummy? Okay, good. Yes. Is it? Yummy. It is actually. So guys, do try this recipe. It's super simple and it's very healthy. So we have used honey instead of sugar. So do try it and do subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back again very soon with lots of delicious recipes, and hope you liked this kid-friendly recipe. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.